Today I'm sharing with you the items I'm putting in my husband's Easter basket. Yes, we're old, we're grandparents, but we still love to exchange Easter baskets. You can really help our channel grow just by giving this video a thumbs up. My husband loves puzzles, but let me show you the situation right now. So this is his current puzzle room. We have this table that is set up all the time and is not ideal because anytime we have our kids and grandkids over, I need to use this table for additional seating for everyone. And when he's in the middle of a puzzle like that, you can imagine how he doesn't want to move it in order to use this table. But as you can see, this puzzle is too big for the table, so we had to bring up one of our folding tables from downstairs. So this is what I did. Here is his Easter basket, and I use that term loosely because this year I just purchased these giant gift bags on Amazon, and I've put all of his gifts in this. I did not include any Easter grass in the bottom of the bag, but now that I'm looking at it, I might. I don't know, the environmental side of me says don't do it, resist, but the cuteness factor says do it, it'll add so much. So I don't know, I have a few weeks to decide what I'm going to do. But let me show you what's inside. I picked this up on Amazon. It's a huge, can you see how big it is? It's a huge puzzle board and it's stiff, so we can move this off the table and onto the floor or onto another table if I need to use the table that he's doing his puzzle on. And it came with this bag to hold puzzle pieces, as well as 2 Ziploc bags to separate, you know, your straight edges and your regular pieces. So that's the main item in his Easter basket. Then I picked him up another puzzle. Did you know puzzles are actually good for your mental health? They help strengthen things in your brain. My husband has grand mal seizures, and the medication that he takes affects his memory. We've learned that puzzles can really help with that. So I'm including another puzzle. This one is 1,000 pieces. I've also included this fun little book that I felt like we could work on together, the quiz book for couples. For example, true or false, your significant other would describe you as outgoing. Or what celebrity would your significant other want to play him or her in a movie? It's just a book full of fun little conversation starting questions like that. I picked him up his favorite candy. These are sugar-free and they taste exactly like regular peppermint patties. He has had to limit his salt intake because of his recent heart diagnosis. So I found this bag of sunflower seeds that are not salted. That has been so hard for him. He loves sunflower seeds. These aren't salted, so this is something that he can have. And then lastly, I picked us up one more game to play together. It's called I Should Have Known That, and it's a trivia game. We haven't played it yet, so I can't tell you how it is, but let me read to you what it says. I Should Have Known That is an addictively entertaining trivia game with over 400 questions about things that you should have known. So I think it should be interesting. In the comment section, let me know if you and your significant other exchange Easter baskets. As always, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.